Kia ora whanau. So this week's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going on holiday, I'm not going anywhere to do anything, but I'm actually getting ready for work. Now, I've never been so excited to get ready for work. Not your usual gears you take to work, but this week work's actually sending me to the other side of the world. Now, if you don't know, I'm a qualified engineer by trade, and work's managed to suss a bit of a gig over on Guernsey Island. Yeah, I figured why not bring you with me? Going to the other side of the world, whether it's for work or not. It's going to be a hell of an opportunity, good experience, get out of the country, and yeah, let's get to it. Oh, alright guys, we finally made it. We're in Guernsey. Alright, so this is home for the next 2 weeks. Alright, so we're staying at the Les Roquettes Hotel in Guernsey. Yeah, probably have a feed and crash out and off to work in the morning. Up at 6, breakfast is at 6:30. Cab's here at 7:15, half 7. And yeah, we'll go check out the site and we'll get into it. Alright, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I just got up, getting ready, shoot down to the restaurant for breakfast, just after 7, roughly 7 o'clock. We'll be in the cab and off to work. Yeah, let's get to it. Coffee makes the world go round. Oh. Alright, so we've made it to site. Today we're just going to do a bit of a recce on our tools and stuff. We're just having a bit of a look at what's still here. So basically our main job over here is working on the medical waste incinerator. All the waste from around the hospital goes into this incinerator and is disposed of. For legal reasons, I'm not allowed to explain too much more than that. I can't get into design and I can't take you inside where we'll be working. Basically today we're just doing a bit of disassembly, taking parts off and getting us a bit of access, gathering all the tools and equipment we need for the job and just making sure everything's ready to go. For the next 14 days, this is home. Yeah, let's get into it. I just can't seem to believe in the thought. Yeah, we've just come back from site. Roger's given us the rest of the day to go check out the island. Now, it's not the best weather for it, but you got to make do with what you got. We'll shoot into town, might do a bit of shopping, see some of the historic places around the island. Yeah, so we got a bit of free time, so we'll go and check out Guernsey. Alright, so we've just popped into the German Nazi underground hospital, and yeah, we're going to check out big piece of Nazi history.
So apart from driving on the wrong side of the road, life carried on as normal for everyone to use. Peace, got married, and with petrol in short supply, honeymoon on bicycles. Becoming a hospital here.
So for those who don't know, Guernsey is the furthest the Germans got to England during the World War. And Now this is one of their underground hospitals. It's pretty freaky. Let's just go on forever. Head to, eh?
You saw the open drum one, eh? Skeptical.
Escape shaft. For some reason this room's gated off. Light horse drawn field telephone. Yeah, they got a bit smaller over time.
Not too bad, I'll give them their dues.
Got a few informative boards. It's on the history of Guernsey. This place has been well reserved, thinking way back to the World War, and all the original structures, original equipment. The feeling in this place is a bit off. It's got a vibe to it, and it's weird to think that all the Germans occupying the island way back when were coming in and out of here whenever they needed medical attention. If the lights go out, I'm losing it. Did you get a fright? You got a fright. The old beds. Oh.
This was actually only for the Germans.
It's not quite Hoyt's, is it? Dunny. Showers. Can't take yous anywhere, eh?
Oh, that's because it was used for whanau, wasn't it? So it was just here.
It's crazy that that door right there is this very door that I've just walked out of. So they built the hospital on the ground obviously for camouflage, and when the Germans came here after D-Day, literally it's good to get out of there because it was getting a bit off, so I'll go check out something else. So Glenn's just brought us to this little spot on Guernsey. It is the smallest chapel in the world. And there she is. This is cool. Just walking through here, it is tight, but I mean, you wouldn't know this was it. Just keeps going. It's pretty cool. There you have it. Just seemingly in the middle of nowhere. Smallest chapel in the world. Just popped into the German Occupation Museum and they've got heaps of German memorabilia from their time spent here on Guernsey.
British troops arrived ashore to a tremendous welcome. The German occupation had finally ended after 5 years.
Used at the airport. The old brown one. Those guns look.
And here is all original equipment, uniforms, guns, communication equipment, all used by the Germans during their occupation here in Guernsey.
Smokes. Mate. Tobacco cut.
Why go mad? Compulsory evacuation a lie. There's no place like home. Cheer up. Oh look. Prisoners' parcels. The Joint Council Order of St. John in New Zealand. There we go. We were helping out. We're helping out. Here's a little key and layout for the gun emplacements. All of these barracks hidden underground. Massive turret at the front disguised as a cottage. Some civilian transport during the German occupation. Classic horse and carriage, bit of a push bike. It's crazy seeing how far we've come all these years. Good little tour so far. Getting a bit peckish now, so probably go and have feed.
What was that problem town you usually get?
Prince of Wales.
Nah, the other
Prince
one.
Albert.
Nah.
Where do you want to go?
Nah, what's
Rockets, mate, rockets.
Right, yeah, back home.
Oh,
Oh, look, I have it here.
ooh. BT for the win.
It was conducted in the spring and summer last year in order to establish.
Oh, come on, Ash.
My wife doesn't give a dark.
Well, not.
Oh, it's a tough one.